What's going on, everyone? This is Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2026 Honda Passport TrailSport. This vehicle is equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 with 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, made it to a 10-speed automatic transmission. So this is the new generation of the Passport, and I'm very excited to see how it drives. I really like the way it looks, and you have, a new interior and everything in this Passport, because the previous generation was obviously built on Honda's older architecture. So you have a full digital gauge cluster, leather-wrapped steering wheel with orange stitching. Also says TrailSport on the steering wheel. That's a nice touch. It says Passport over here. You have a very big and easy-to-use screen with built-in Google Maps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Google Assistant, all that good stuff. You also have the orange stitching on the seats and orange color scheme. It's like a mix of faux leather with fabric, and it also says TrailSport on the headrest over there. Panoramic sunroof, very nice touch right there. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a backup camera. Heated seats as well. The seats are very comfortable too. You also have lumbar adjustment, and I really like the tachometer, how it looks. You also have paddle shifters as well, but I really do like the orange stitching. And obviously the TrailSport is the off-roady version, so it has extra ground clearance, and it's built for going over rocks and all that good stuff. So you have like more durability on the way the car is built and everything, on the frame, and basically everything is, the suspension and all that is built for off-roading and all that. And I like how fluid the movement on the screen is. That's nice. But let's walk around and see what it looks like. You also have cup holders in the doors. That's a pretty cool touch. Very practical. You have a pearl white exterior on this one. And here are the off-roading tires on this car. You also have gray wheels. That looks good. Really cool orange daytime running lights, and I really like the orange color scheme on the outside as well. You also have the orange recovery hooks up front for when you go off-roading. This is a good-looking car. Here's the rear seats. Pretty good legroom back here. Very spacious, it looks like. I didn't expect it to have such spacious rear seats, considering the vehicle from the outside doesn't look as big. It's not that big of an SUV actually, so it's pretty impressive to see that rear legroom. And you also have cup holders in the rear seats, rear doors back here as well. It has grabber all-terrain general tires. And here's the back of the vehicle. It says TrailSport. You also have a tow hitch. Very good trunk space too. This is deceivingly, the exterior is deceiving. It doesn't actually look that big, and when you open it, this has so much legroom and cargo space. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. And I like how it spells out Passport over here. That's pretty cool. But let's get out on the road and see how it drives. You have Sport, Normal, Econ, Snow, Trail, Sand, and Tow mode. So a lot of modes in this Passport. Well, that engine sounds really good. Acceleration's all right. I mean, it's nothing crazy, and I wasn't really expecting that anyway, but it does the job. Really good center console storage. You also have the adaptive cruise control and keep assist controls on the steering wheel, which is nice. And you also have the windshield defroster over there. Also, the key fob has the remote engine starter. I really like how soft the leather feels on the wheel. Man, that sounds so good. Could never get tired of a Honda V6. This is definitely a huge improvement over the previous generation Passport. The previous generation Passport just looked basically like a smaller Pilot. It didn't really have its own like design, but this new generation, you can tell it's a Passport. This TrailSport really does stand out. It really, with the orange accents on the outside and inside, and also the orange DRLs, it really does look more special. So Honda did a great job with that. The ride feels pretty smooth. Really good visibility. I can see out of my blind spot pretty well. Man, what's so funny to me is like how the interior, the outside of the car, I just can't get over it. The outside doesn't look that big, but the interior feels, it's so much more spacious in here than you would assume. And when I look back, it feels like I'm in a giant 3-row SUV. Like the interior is so much bigger than the exterior. It's so hard to explain. Very deceiving. It's kind of disorienting. I found that kind of interesting. You know, with the off-road tires, I did expect it to be kind of bumpy. It doesn't feel bumpy at all. The ride is pretty smooth for having off-road tires on it. But overall, this 2026 Honda Passport TrailSport is a nice SUV. I really like the way it looks. So you can see how nice those orange GRLs look in the reflection over there, if you can see that. Nice interior, nice drive overall. It's smooth and comfortable. I do wish the acceleration was a little better, but the engine sounds amazing. And I feel like if you're looking for a Passport and you waited for this new generation, you'll really like it. It's definitely a huge improvement over the previous generation, and a good job from Honda overall on this vehicle. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for a lot of high quality pre-owned Hondas like this one.